Good morning, everyone. One of these days they'll be finished with this construction. So much construction. They're building some new bridges just before the Texas line, and it can get a little hectic and a little dangerous with some of these 18-wheelers coming around this curve. I just wanted to show you. So you better be slowing down, and you better be watching. Actually doing 35 miles an hour around this. Mostly, they haven't started doing a lot of stuff today because there's not a whole lot of people out. You got to do this a couple of times on this back road heading to Texas. I don't like taking the interstate. I just don't. I'd rather take the back roads, take my time, be there a little early. So that means I need to leave a lot earlier. It's going to be nice once they get the bridges done. I hope everyone out there is doing well today on this beautiful Tuesday. Not a cloud in the sky. And it surely felt good this morning when we woke up. We were in the high 60s. Sure was better than that hot, muggy weather. Coming to another one, same situation. Oh, and I think I see an 18-wheeler coming. I may be wrong. Don't fall asleep at the wheel when you get to this point. Looks like they're out here. Construction crews getting their stuff together to do something today. And if you didn't get enough of that one, then they give you another one to do. They're replacing 3 bridges. Watch this truck. Did good. Safe driver there. We are heading to Beaumont, Texas. I've got a project I'm doing over there. I'm not going to be there long, but I got to release it so it can deliver to the customer. So they're waiting on me. Y'all stay safe, guys. I hope everyone has a blessed day today. Stay well, and always remember to prepare for the unknown. There's the sign. Welcome to Texas.